Aman, hi there. Good afternoon. Terrific run up for the equity markets. What is your outlook as to where we're headed from these current levels? And do you believe that the bull run's here to stay?
Yeah, we continue to remain positive in the markets predominantly because if you see globally, there is a recovery going on month on month. Businesses are opening up. Earnings momentum has been strong. Companies have been able to maintain or improve on their margins. So keeping this backdrop in mind and positioning overall is light because of the elections both in Bihar as well as in U.S. For that reason, we continue to remain positive in the markets. Having said that, near term, there can be some consolidation because there has been a very sharp up move over the last 3 months. But overall, outlook remains positive.
And Aman, give us a sense, what is it that you're making of the Nifty Bank Index? Given that it has been fairly resilient of late, supporting the markets, but you've also seen leadership coming in from the likes of pharma and IT. What's your outlook on these spaces?
So this is a very classic bull market where the sector rotation happens every 2 to 3 weeks and a new leader emerges. Over the last 1 month, we have seen Bank Nifty taking the leadership position. Prior to that, it was IT and pharma. So what led to the IT and pharma was obviously the results. They were the least impacted sectors, and both the June as well as the September quarter numbers, they have surprised on the positive. Taking clues from that, these sectors outperformed. Once the valuations were full, the momentum moved towards banking. Banking is one sector which is still below the pre-COVID highs. So the market has crossed the pre-COVID levels. Banking index is still below that, and that is where the valuation comfort coming in. And this is a sector which is liquid. It is a proxy to GDP. It's a FI favorite sector, liquid names. And that's the reason we are seeing incremental money moving towards banking. So we still feel there is still room for banking stocks to perform from here on.
Just want to take a look as to what as well are some of the movers in the markets this afternoon, particularly within the broader universe, as we're just about jittery between the green and the red. And you do have, some of those stocks like Arvind, Apollo Hospitals, Bajaj Holdings, Balkrishna, Loris Labs, Adani Green Energy, as well as Delta. They're holding out quite smartly. Aman, there has been a lot of leadership, of course, from the large caps, but a lot of market experts that we've been speaking to have alluded to the fact that now perhaps we're going to see a lot of traction to be made and a lot of money to be made within the mid caps. Where within the mid cap space are you sensing opportunity?
We believe in the mid cap space, wherever market senses earnings momentum or wherever they see earnings resilience, that is the segment investors will focus on. This will be irrespective of the sectors these companies come on. So it is going to be a bottom-up approach. Wherever there is an earnings growth, investors focus on. We feel there is good scope in the mid-cap space within the NBFC space. Within pharma also, we see good earnings traction in the mid-cap space and even in IT. So IT mid-caps, in spite of being a debt-free balance sheet, they still trade at 10 to 12 times forward multiples. There is enough scope for a re-rating for IT midcaps.
All right. Thanks, Aman, for sharing with us that outlook. Let's take a quick break right here on the show. Come right back for lots more.